Hey guys, welcome back to EDC TV. Just wanted to give you an update and see what you guys are up against. I'm going to post, once I stop talking, a few of the pocket dumps I've been receiving for the contest for the EDC cabinet. I've been getting, I think I got almost, I'll say 6 to 12 in that range, and I want more. If you guys are serious about winning something amazing, keep sending me the pocket dumps. And if you already sent me one, but then after the video you say, man, that wasn't good enough, I want to send another one, go right ahead. You can keep entering. I think I'm going to announce the winner on Sunday, this Sunday. So you have 6 days left. May the best man or woman win. Good luck. Stay clean, stay safe, and be kind to one another. EDC TV is out.